How to fix YouTube app freezing on iPhone. Is your YouTube app freezing or becoming unresponsive? Here's how to get it running smoothly again. Swipe up from the bottom, close the app completely, then relaunch it. This keeps your data but clears corrupted files. If that doesn't help, uninstall and reinstall. Outdated versions of iOS or the app can cause freezing. Update both the latest version and you're done. Now your app should be running smoothly again. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.